Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Robinhood app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list, click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list, click here on notifications and the messages here. Then it's going to take you to this list, click here on push notifications. So then you just scrolling down here until you will find here crypto price alerts, just click on it. And you scrolling down here until you will find it here in this list, clicking this sign. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.